The horrors of the universe are a broad and often philosophical concept, reflecting the vast, indifferent, and sometimes terrifying nature of the cosmos. These horrors can be interpreted in many ways, depending on perspective. Here are some aspects that might be considered when discussing the more unsettling or awe-inspiring aspects of the universe. Cosmic scale and indifference. The universe is staggeringly vast, with billions of galaxies, stars, and planets. This overwhelming scale can evoke a sense of insignificance in the face of such enormity. Humanity's existence seems almost like a fleeting moment in the vast expanse of time and space. The universe operates according to laws of physics that are indifferent to human suffering, highlighting the potential meaninglessness of our lives on a cosmic scale. The finality of death. In the universe, life appears to be fleeting, and death is inevitable. Stars burn out, galaxies collide, and eventually, everything will experience some form of end, whether through the heat death of the universe, a big crunch, or other theoretical cataclysms. The concept of entropy, where order inevitably deteriorates into chaos, suggests that no matter how much life or progress we experience, everything will eventually succumb to decay. Existential loneliness. The vastness of the universe and the uncertainty about whether intelligent life exists elsewhere can evoke existential loneliness. The possibility that we may be entirely alone in the cosmos adds an eerie dimension to our search for meaning. The possibility of extraterrestrial civilizations existing could either provoke dread at their potential hostility or an existential horror at their sheer indifference. The unknown and the unknowable. There are realms of the universe that remain incomprehensible or beyond human reach, such as dark matter, black holes, and the true nature of time and space. The thought of unknowable forces at play can be deeply unsettling. The prospect of being unable to understand the true nature of reality or our place in it is a source of cosmic dread, as it forces us to confront the limits of human understanding. The death of stars and planets. Stars eventually burn out, and the process of their death can involve explosive events such as supernovae, releasing unfathomable energy into the cosmos. Planets, too, are at the mercy of their stars, with the eventual demise of any habitable environment caused by stellar evolution. The death of planets can also be seen in terms of life. Many of the conditions that allow life to thrive on Earth are temporary, and the fate of life itself may be tied to the unrelenting forces of cosmic change. The void and black holes. The void of space is terrifyingly empty, devoid of light, and filled with radiation, gravity, and cold that make it hostile to life. Black holes, regions of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, present another mysterious and frightening feature of the universe. The possibility of being trapped in a black hole, stretched and torn apart in a process known as spaghettification, evokes a sense of both cosmic horror and powerlessness. Time and the illusion of control. Time, as we understand it, is part of a larger cosmic cycle that doesn't revolve around humanity. The idea that we are at the mercy of an indifferent universe that is constantly changing, and that time could ultimately be an illusion in the face of an infinite or cyclical universe, can be deeply unsettling. The anthropic principle. The idea that the universe is fine-tuned for life can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. The fragility of life on Earth, reliant on precise conditions, can lead one to wonder whether the universe is simply a series of random, indifferent events or if there is some greater meaning behind our existence. The universe, in its boundless expanse, is a tapestry of mysteries woven with threads of light, gravity, time, and space. It is the ultimate enigma, an intricate and vast system that stretches beyond the limits of human understanding, yet it is a realm that profoundly shapes the very essence of existence. From the birth of stars to the birth of life itself, from the swirling chaos of black holes to the quiet dunks of distant galaxies, the universe pulses with an ancient rhythm that has been unfolding for billions of years. At its core, the universe is both incomprehensibly immense and intimately connected to the smallest moments in our lives. We are stardust, born from the same celestial furnaces that forged the stars. The atoms that make up our bodies were once part of distant stars, and the energy that courses through us is a reflection of the very same cosmic forces that govern the heavens. There is a profound unity between the microcosm and the macrocosm, a deep connection between the human soul and the cosmos, as though the universe itself is a vast, living entity, forever intertwined with our own consciousness. The universe began, as far as we know, with the Big Bang, an event that set everything into motion, creating space and time, light and matter from a singular point of unimaginable density and heat. Since that moment, the universe has expanded, and its evolution has been marked by countless acts of creation and destruction, stars born in nebulae, galaxies colliding and merging, black holes devouring everything in their path, and the mysterious death of those stars in supernovae, scattering elements that will one day form new worlds. Every celestial body, every planet, every grain of dust in the cosmos is part of this eternal cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Yet, despite our ever-growing understanding of the universe, we are left with a profound sense of mystery. The vastness of space overwhelms the human imagination, and the complexity of cosmic forces challenges our intellect. We know that the universe is expanding, yet we cannot fully fathom what lies beyond the observable limits. Dark matter, which cannot be seen but exerts an undeniable influence, remains invisible to our instruments, as does dark energy, the force accelerating the expansion of the universe. These are but two of the countless puzzles that remind us of our limited understanding of the cosmos. As we peer deeper into the cosmos with ever more powerful telescopes and instruments, we uncover the breathtaking beauty of the universe, cosmic nebulae painted in vibrant colors, swirling galaxies that stretch the fabric of space, and star clusters that glitter like jewels scattered across the heavens. Yet, with each discovery, we are confronted by an unsettling thought. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly understand. The more we uncover the secrets of the universe, the more profound the questions become. The universe is, in many ways, a mirror to the human spirit. It asks the most fundamental questions about existence. What is the nature of life? Why are we here? Is there a purpose to this vast expanse, or is it a random, indifferent void? These questions have echoed through the ages, inspiring philosophers, scientists, and dreamers alike. But in the face of such grandiosity, answers seem fleeting, and perhaps it is the questions themselves that hold the greatest significance. In the end, the universe remains a paradox, both a realm of immense order governed by unyielding physical laws and a place of infinite mystery where the unknown stretches beyond the horizon of our comprehension. It is a place where beauty and chaos, creation and destruction, life and death, coexist in an endless cycle. And in its infinite complexity, the universe beckons us to explore its depths, not only in the hope of understanding its mechanics but to understand our place within it, perhaps, in the grandest sense, to understand the cosmic dance that binds us all.